Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Pilot key fob here. It works for these models 2016 and 2022 and you don't need any fancy tools, you only need this battery 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side and this way you can very easily remove this mechanical key over here. And now when you remove this mechanical key, turn the fob like this to the bottom and right here, right in this space between these two pieces, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key, only the tip right here, insert it, and now twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. And when you separate into two pieces, make sure this side here with the buttons is facing down because you can very easily lose them. Okay, so be careful about that. And now when you separate into two pieces, right after that here you see your old dead battery like this, and it's very easy to remove it. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, it's time to install the new battery, and while you do that, like this, make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Okay, now when you place your new battery over here, these two pieces again, take them, align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again, put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.